App Trailers is a free app for earning cash and gift cards. This app is available for both iOS and Android. It pays you points for watching trailers, playing daily quiz, playing games, watching DIY videos, watching top videos, newest videos, and much more. You earn rewards for playing trivia, and this app introduces over 10,000 questions and more added to it every day, which you can play every day to earn bonus points. You can also upload videos from your device or link to your YouTube ones to earn extra points from other users who like your videos. This is a great app, easy to make a few extra dollars a day. App Trailers has an excellent customer support to resolve any issues that you may have. You can redeem your reward points instantly for cash with money from PayPal. It requires little work to earn points and pays out quickly in PayPal Cash, with cash out starting at 500 points equal to 50 cents. You can also redeem your points for gift cards from hundreds of top brands like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Target, Starbucks, Groupon, Sephora, Foot Lockers, iTunes, and many more. You also have the choice of converting perk points into cash with a perk plastic prepaid debit card. You can also enter sweepstakes for a chance to win, gift cards, and more. In order to install this app, search for App Trailers in your App Store or Google Play Store and install it. It will ask you for a referral code, so please use my referral code. My referral code is FB8F2852. Or check out App Trailers by clicking at the link I've shared in the description box below this video. Sign up for free and use my referral code FB8F2852 in order to get extra points and start earning instantly. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned to my channel. Subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for watching, friends.